चलिए, make it faster. Okay, good evening everyone, Sunny. Now, yesterday we have started cubes. One question we have left that we are supposed to do it now. What we have done is what basically we have learned cutting and we have learned what how to color a cube. In color also we have done single color. Now today we will do some questions of multicolor. We have done single color. Today we will do one question of multicolor. And we know when perfect cubes are given to you, when perfect cubes are given to you, we have when non-perfect cubes are also given to you in cuttings and everything we have done. I hope you all people know that. Clear? That's good. Students, now I want you to answer this question. Come on, do it now, everybody. I want you to answer this question which is here on the screen right now. Make it faster. Are you sure? I want unpainted. Unpainted, we have two formula, that is n minus 2 whole cube or L minus 2 into B minus 2 into H minus 2. It depends what is given to. He gave you 60. 60 is a perfect cube. No, it's not a perfect cube. So we cannot use this thing. Following everybody? Chaliye. Good. So we should use this in non-perfect cube. 60 can be written as 3 into 4 into 5. There is no n value here. One is acting like L, one is acting like B, one is acting like okay. 3 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 5 minus 2. बताओ students क्या होता है? 1 into 2 into 3. That is 6. Painted or unpainted? Unpainted. Students, I'm asking you one more question. What is the ratio of painted is to unpainted? Yesterday we have done this question, students. What is the ratio of painted is to unpainted? You said 6. Reyas is saying 6. Aniket is saying 6. Everybody is saying 6. What is the ratio of painted to unpainted? Come on. $6.54. Rakesh Naidu is saying 9:1. Mayank Tiwari is saying yes. How 9:1? Out of 60 pieces, how many are unpainted pieces? 6. Who told? Everybody's told. Okay. So now I want painted. So rest of all have color. One side color, two side rest of all. 54. So what's the ratio, students? 9:1. That's good. Students, if I give you a perfect cube called 64, can you do it? Yes. At that point of time, will you use this one? No, you'll do n minus 2 whole cube. What will you use? N minus 2 whole cube. You all know that. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Let's sort of move forward, everyone. Okay. Now, here, we are taking something which we are doing. Okay, multicolor. What did it say in this question? Listen. A large cube is painted with blue color. Where blue color? On one pair of adjacent faces. On one pair of adjacent faces. Not all the faces. One pair of adjacent faces, it's blue color. And one pair of opposite faces, he selected with red color. Means the opposite faces, you all know that. And the remaining two faces, one is painted with yellow and the other is painted with orange. Following everybody? One is painted with yellow, the other is painted with what? Orange. Following everybody? So, and the cube is made into 125 identical pieces and is asking you question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's asking this thing. Students, do you have any single color here? No. Previously, whatever the questions we have done. For example, okay, look at this question. All are painted with blue color on all the faces. You all know that. All painted with green on all the faces. These kind of questions we have done. But here now, are we doing only one color? No. You can see the screen here. He told you one pair of adjacent with blue color, one pair of opposite with red color, and the remaining he told you. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So let's try to show you this question. Everybody on the screen now. Now, what did I ask you to do? Sir, he asked you to take a large cube. Yes, sir. This I have taken large cube. Look, large cube. Following everybody? So now, do I paint blue, 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 bottom blue, left blue, top blue? Shall I paint blue everywhere? No. I'm not supposed to paint all the faces. I'm not supposed to paint all the faces. Are you understanding, everybody? I'm not supposed to face all the faces. Read the carefully. One pair of adjacent faces are painted with blue. You know adjacent faces? Yes. Yesterday I told you this is top, bottom. Are you sure these are adjacent? No, these are opposite. This is left, this is right. These are opposite. This is front side, this is back side. Students, these are opposites. But I don't want opposites. I want adjacent. Hope students, you all know adjacent. Adjacent are nothing but which come side by side. These two also you can choose. 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 You can choose any adjacent faces. Following everybody. So I'll do one thing. I'll choose this one and I'll choose this one. So what shall I paint, students here? Blue, blue. One pair of adjacent with blue, blue. Following everybody. Color चाहिए. Okay. Push. That's good. So one pair of adjacent side is painted with blue, blue. Following everybody. So accordingly, we have to paint, not in our own manner. And he told you one pair of opposite faces is painted with red color. Students, I'm telling you, now you can see the screen here. Okay, the diagram is very clear. One pair of adjacent you painted with blue, blue. That's good. He's asking you one pair of, see the question here, one pair of opposite, he's asking you to paint with red. So tell me, where shall I paint red? Come on. From your side, you tell me, where shall I paint red? Come on, students. Where shall I paint red? Saying top and bottom. We should top and bottom. Why not front, back? Back and left are not opposite. They are adjacent. Babu, I told you. Okay. Clear? Top and bottom is the only place left. Why not left, right? Sir, already left, right is over. Why not front, back? Sir, already front is painted. So only face which is left over is top and bottom. Bottom red, top red. Bottom red, top red. Let me paint here. Look, top I have painted. What I have done here, top I have painted with red. Understanding everybody? Top I have painted with red. Now, you can see that the top is painted with red. Bottom also painted with red, but you have to go stand and sit at the bottom and check. Yes, I can't flip. Okay. Here you have to assume that top is also red, bottom also red. Yes, students, now two faces are still unpainted. One is this side, one is back side. Are you understanding? One is this side, one is this side. The remaining two faces, students, he told you, one is painted with yellow color and the other is painted with orange. So we have no idea where is yellow, where is orange. So here can be yellow, here can be orange, here can be orange, here can be yellow, here can be yellow, here can be orange, here can be orange, here can be yellow. It's up to you. Whichever you choose, you choose. Okay, so what I'll choose here, I'll put here yellow. Here orange at the back side. Following everybody. So I didn't paint in my style. I painted in the question style. Whatever he give the guidelines to me, I have checked the guidelines and painted. Adjusted with blue. Yes, sir. Top and bottom with red. Yes, sir. And the remaining two with yellow and orange. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, the next thing. Students, and the cube is made into 125 identical pieces. How much? 1, 2, 5. 125 identical pieces. Whenever they said you 125 identical pieces, you know that. I need not tell you. 125 bole to 5 into 5 into 5. Again 4 into 4 into 4. Are you understanding, everybody? 5 into 5 into 5. Again 4 into 4 into 4. I hope you all know that. I hope you all know that. How to make the cuts? Are you understanding? I hope you all know that. How to make cuts? 12 cuts. Aniket is saying 12 cuts. Are you sure 12 cuts? Yes. You all tell me, Aniket, who is this 4? The first 4 is 4 cuts on the x-axis. Okay. Who is the next 4? The next 4 is 4 cuts on the y-axis. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Here, that's good. Okay. Now, parallelly you have to make, not in our own style. Okay, the last 4, could you please tell me what the last 4? Students, last 4 is z-axis. Fut, 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 fut. On the z-axis you are supposed to make. Are you understanding? With the help of this, I am 100% sure these are 125 pieces. Well, how many pieces are these? 125 pieces. You all know that. Clear? So my coloring is over, my cutting is over. Now my answering the question, everybody. Okay, I don't wanted to draw the diagram. Can you answer the third question? Can I answer the third question? What's the third question, students? The third question is unpainted. Where the unpainted are inside. Unpainted are inside. Can you see them? No, you can't see that. So without the diagrams also of no use. Diagrams also no use. Are you understanding, everybody? You all tell me. Can you find out unpainted? Come on, tell me. Without diagram. Diagram is of no use. Can you do unpainted, everybody? How you got 27, Vilas? N minus 2 whole cube. What is that? N minus 2 whole cube. Are you understanding? Bolo, what's the value of n? Not 4. N is not cuts. Remember, n is pieces. N is 4. So, sorry, n is 5. 5 minus 2 whole cube. That is 27. How did you get this answer? Sir, diagram is not important. Diagram is not important, sir. Without diagram only, I am getting this answer. Yes, don't worry, you'll get it. Let's see the last question. What is the last question? Not last question. Last question. What is that point number F? He said you one side painted. What did he say, you students? One side painted. Could you please tell me what is one side painted? Come on. You have a formula. Diagram is not required for you. Are you sure diagram is not required for you? Without the help of diagram, can you do it? Are you sure? That's good. How you can do it? That's good. N minus 2 whole square into 6. Perfect. No need of diagram. Arey sir, why this much of hard work? Why this much of hard work you are doing, sir? Why this much of hard work you are doing? You are getting the answer now without the help of this diagram. Yes. I'm getting the without the help of diagram. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's n value. What's the n value, students? 5. Well, what is 5 minus 2? 3. Well, 3 square, 9. 9 6 are 54. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Why you are doing this much of hard work? Why do you are doing this much of hard work? Without diagram also you are getting the answer now? Yes. Tell me the answer for the question number 3. What's the answer for the question number 3? 3 side painted. What did it say here? 3 side painted. You all tell me 3 side painted. So 3 side painted are on the faces or corners or edges? Edges. No. Faces. No. Yesterday we learned corners. Many people are answering 8. That's good. Students, let me tell you that. You can answer always 8. You can answer only, remember I'm telling you, you can answer only 3 side painted, side painted, 1 side painted, unpainted. Remember, you can answer only 3 side painted, 2 side painted, 1 side painted, and unpainted. Look at that. So look at that. 3 side painted, 2 side painted, 1 side painted, unpainted. Only these 4 questions have a formula, students. Only these questions have a formula. Are you understanding? If they ask you beyond that, look at that. What is the first question? Only red and blue. Your formula. Your formula only red and blue? No. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Here. Now, only red color. Your formula? No. Students, for doing these questions, you have to count literally. We have to count literally. Let's do the first question. This question. Only red color. I'll show you only red color. Look at the screen, everybody. Look at the screen. Do you think this is only red color? No. It has a touch of blue. This piece has not only red. It has a touch of blue also. So this is not counted. Only red? No. This is only red? No, it has a touch of blue. This is only red? No, it has a touch of blue. It has a touch of blue. It has a touch of blue. Is this only red? Yes, sir. Is this only red? Yes, sir. Is this only red? Yes, sir. Is this only red? No, sir. It has a touch of blue here. It has a touch of blue here. No. Is this only red? Yes, sir. This is only red. Only red. Only red. Only red. Only red. So these are all only red. Backside is a touch of orange. So how many on the top? 9. 9 pieces on the top. Are you understanding? Every people are saying, Sampada, you are saying 9, but not 9. Bottom also 9 na? Bottom also red color na? So what's the answer for only red? 18. So you have any formula for color? Only red color? No. Sir, I don't have any formula for only red color. Please try to understand. I don't have any formula only for red color. Are you understanding, everybody? This you will get only when you draw, color, and then count. When you draw, color, and then count. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Let me ask you one more question. Okay. Only blue color. Come on, students, you try to answer. Only blue color. Yes, Rahul, we need the diagram here. Come on, make it faster. Mayank Babu, count and tell me what same Mayank Babu. Sagar, 24. You know, Sagar is greedy. Sagar is greedy. Pragati is greedy. Nadim is also greedy. How these greedy people think, I'll show you. Only blue. Yes, sir. Only blue. No, sir. Yellow touch. Only blue. Only blue. Only blue. Only blue. Only blue. Only blue. No, sir. No, sir. No. Only blue. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only blue. No, sir. No, sir. Bottom is red. Only blue. Yes, sir. Only blue. Sir, how many on the front? How many on the front? 9. How many on the right? 9. Below 9 plus 9, 18. Most of the people said the answer is same. It's not 18. It's not 18. Following everybody? Look, you want only blue. You want only blue. Students, why you are not taking this? Because it's a touch of yellow color. Are you understanding, everybody? Why you are not touching this blue? It has a touch of orange. But do you think you can take this one? These 9 are over. But can you take this piece? Yes. Here also blue. Here also blue. This single piece is also there. Are you understanding, everybody? This single piece is also there. This piece, this piece, this piece. 3 more pieces are there. So answer is not 18. Answer is 18 plus 3. Answer is 21. Students, answer is not 18. Answer is 21. Following. Sagar said 24. Shivani said 24. Are you understanding? Everybody, yes or no? Yes. Some people thought, listen everybody on the screen. Yes, power is gone here, okay? Here, they think this is 1 cube, this is 1 cube. No, 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 no. This itself is 1 cube. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? This is 1 cube, this is 1 cube. No, look at this corner edge is 1 cube, this is 1 cube. Don't count it two times. This is single cube. This is single cube. Are you understanding, everybody? So answer is not 24. Don't do the counting mistake. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Students? Yes. Battery backup was very less. Yes. Reshma, I'm not visible. That's true. चलिए, no worries, I have removed myself. Okay. बोथ चाहिए, कार्तिक को दोनों चाहिए. कार्तिक तेलुगु में बोलते हैं. अब tell you the clarity with you. Okay, I'll just try to tell the clarity with you. Okay, everybody. Now, what is the question here? Everybody on the screen now. What is the question here is, let's try to do. We have done this, we have done this, we have done this, we have done this, we have done this. Now I'm going to the third question. 3 colors on them. Students, now what we are supposed to do, 3 colors on them. Tell me, students, do you find 3 colors here only? No. Do you find 3 colors here only? No. 3 colors. Where will you find 3 colors? Students, you already know that 3 colors are found on corners. Are you understanding, students? 3 colors are found on where? Corners. Shall we see the corners, everybody? Yes. So let's try to go and check every corner. Let's try to go and check every corner. Do you think this piece? So I'm removing all this. Okay. Okay, I'm removing all these things. I'm just trying to show you corner pieces. Everybody on the screen now. Back side is orange. You all know that. Bottom is red. You all know that. Okay. Now, 3 colors. Students, where are the 3 colors? Many people say answer is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Listen. This piece, if I talk about, this piece if I talk about, do you think it has got 3 colors? No. 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 Why no, sir? Why this is rejected? Sir, it has only 2 colors. One is red color, one is blue color, one is blue color. So, do you think this is 3-side painted? Yes, sir. 3-side painted, sir. Painted. But if I ask you 3 colors, sir, 3 colors, do you think this piece is 3 colors? No. Is it 3-side painted? Yes. Everybody knows that this is 3-side painted. Everybody knows that this is three-side painted, but my question is not three-side painted, students. My question is three colors. No, it's not Rahul. वो आदत पड़ जाएगी. Here I have made this thing, but आदत पड़ जाएगी. Don't worry. I'll tell you how to do. He'll not ask you one question, Rahul. He'll ask you minimum 3 to 5 questions. Minimum 3 or ठीक है. So understood the basic difference, everybody? Three-side painted means three-side paint. Which paint? I don't mind. Sir, which paint? I don't mind. This is three-side paint. Yes, paint. Paint. Which paint? I don't mind. But three colors. No, this is rejected. This is rejected. Okay, everybody. So do you think this is accepted? No, this is also not accepted, students. Why this is not accepted? You all tell me why this is not accepted. Because, sir, here I find blue, sir. Here I send blue, sir, but bottom is red, sir. Are you understanding? Is it three colors? No. Will you imagine this one, students? This one? Yes, sir. This one is blue, Baba. This one is red, Baba. The other is yellow, Baba. Are you understanding, everybody? That's what. We must accept this one because left side we have got yellow color. Are you understanding? Let's sort of go and check it out. Okay, let's sort of go and check it out. What is this thing? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Lavanya, just listen this corner. Okay, what is this? Blue. I understand. Bottom red, left side yellow. Accepted? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is also accepted. So front four corners we have checked. Front four corners. Okay, these four corners I have checked. Okay, now this is rejected. Okay, now this corner definitely. Back side is orange. And orange, top side is red, left side is blue, accepted, that's it. Again, let's go this corner, okay. Bottom is red, here is blue, here is orange, accepted, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. This one, will you accept this corner piece? Yes, you can accept this corner piece also. Are you understanding, everybody? You can accept this corner piece also. How you can accept this corner piece? Because this corner piece have got what at the back side? Orange, here red side, here yellow. And there is one more piece at the back side which you can't see. That will be here somewhere at the corner bottom. Well, that is also three colors. So what is the answer over here? Is it 8? No, it's not 8, students, it's 6. What's the difference between three-side paint and three colors? Three-side paint means whichever paint you want, you paint it. Whichever the paint you want, you paint it. But what is three colors? You want three different colors. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, you people seems to be very genius. Let me ask you to do the first question number 1. Let me ask you to do the question number 1, everybody. Everyone do the question number 1. What is the question number 1? Red and blue color. I want a red and blue color only. I don't want any other color. Red and blue color only. Make it faster, everybody. Where is this red and blue? Come on, Shreyas is saying 14. Rishikesh is saying 14. Saying 14, but Rakesh got 20. Some people got 7. Everybody, let's try to see here. Red and blue only. Do you think red and blue are here? No. Are they on the faces? No. Red and blue will be in the edges, students. Red and blue will be on the edges. Are you understanding? Let's try to count all these edges, everybody. Now, this is red and blue. Yes. Red and blue. Red and blue. How many? 3 over here. Here also red, blue. Here also red, blue. Here also red, blue. That is also 3. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, 3. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, 3. How much you have got till now? 12. We take this red blue, here red blue, no, but here yellow is there, na? That's the reason not accepted. You take red blue here, no, here you have yellow, it's not accepted. It's not accepted because you have a touch of yellow, you have a touch of yellow here. We take this red blue, no, it has a touch of orange at the back side. Good, and this red blue, no, it has a touch of orange, not accepted, not accepted. So the answer is 12. Okay, no, students, no, answer is not 12. You can accept this piece also. This is red, blue, blue. Did I ask two-side painted? No. Did I ask three-side painted? This is three-side painted. This is two-side painted. Am I specifically asking three-side painted, two-side painted? No. I'm not asking you three-side painted, two-side painted. I'm asking you only red and blue color. When the question is in color, definitely you have to spend a little bit of time of this thing. So will you accept this one? Yes, sir. So +1. Will you accept this one? Blue, blue, red? Yes, sir. So answer is what? 14. Are you understanding, everybody? I hope you are understanding this. So answer is what? 14. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, no worries, students. Let me ask you one more question. Let me ask you question number G. I'm asking you only yellow color. Come on, students. You tell me, what's the answer for only yellow color? I hope you people have understood that. I hope you people have understood. Following, everybody? Chaliye. That's here also 9. That's good, Aniket. That's good. Center 9. Here 9, na? Here also 9. I hope you people have understood that. I hope you people have understood that. Following, everybody? Chaliye. That's good. Let me ask you one more question. After G, H only, na? Okay. Only blue and yellow. Or 6. Some people are saying 6. I don't know from where you are getting 6. It's 3. Nadeem, 6 कहाँ से आता है? Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. There is no other edge. This is blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange. These are not taken. These are not taken. So answer is what? 3. Are you understanding, everybody? It depends how you see the diagram. It depends how you see the diagram. How to draw the diagram, I'll help you. Rahul, how to draw the diagram, I'll help you, okay? After H, you're going to have I. My question is only orange color. Come on. Are you sure it's 9? Yes. Many people are saying it's 9. Why it's 9, sir? Only red center. Center. Here center how much? 9. So backside center also 9. It depends on your imagination how you got the answer. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. That's good. That's good. One more question. One more question. Unpainted. Come on, tell me. How many are unpainted? 27. Do you want the diagram? No. Without the help of diagram, you can do 3 questions, students. One is 3-side painted, one is 2-side painted, one is 1-side painted, one is unpainted. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. If they ask you something in colors, you are supposed to do yes. Okay, everybody, I hope you have understood this multicolor. How to draw the cube? You know, many people have a doubt. So you have to draw one square. You have to draw one line, a parallel line, and join these parallel lines. This is the best way of doing. नहीं समझे? फिर से समझाता हूँ. Okay, you have to draw one square. Okay, draw one line and draw one line. Join these 2 lines. Draw another line. Join this line. Some people have an idea to do like this. Make 2 squares and join the corners. Yes, take 2 squares and join the corners. But this is very difficult for you to count. What? After cutting, you cannot count. But if you see here, after cutting also, the pieces are very easy to count. Are you understanding, everybody? So that is the best way of doing. How the best way of doing, you know, who had it out in this thing? Everybody. So draw a square, take one parallel, join this one, take one parallel and join this one. This is the best way. Following, everybody? Combination of blue and yellow is 3. That's good. That's good. That's good. चलिए. Now let's try to move forward everybody. Okay. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ? I'll give you one question to you. Do it now. Everyone. Large cube. Yes, sir. Parallel line. Parallel line. Yes, sir. Do this everybody. Now I will draw and show you if you have to get the answers. Make it faster everyone. It's not correct, I don't know, but center 9 pieces we are talking about, Naveen, in the previous question. I'll clarify your doubt. Don't worry about that. Let's try to finish this question first. चलो अपनी अपनी बात है. Eight, 10, 8, 4, 4. Sagar is saying 8, 10, 8, 4, 4. Are you sure? Yes. It's not difficult. It's not difficult, students. It's not difficult. Following everybody? Yeah. It's all about your understanding and how well you can stay connected. Following everybody? Chaliye. So let's try to do it, everybody. I'm going to teach you this question. One pair of adjacent is green color. So let's try to paint the green color, everybody. This is green color. Yes. Adjacent. This is green. It's not required actually. If I write on G also, it's sufficient for you. So this is green. This is green. One pair of adjacent with which color, students? Green color. चलिए, तुम्हारी खुशी में मेरी खुशी है, मेरी खुशी में तुम्हारी खुशी है. ओके, बस खुश. दैट्स गुड. चलिए, फिर क्या बोला है उसने? वन ऑपोजिट फेयर इज पेंटेड विद ब्राउन कलर. अभी ब्राउन ढूंढना चाहिए. ब्राउन कौन सा है भैया इसमें? ब्राउन. ओके, दिस इज ब्राउन. यस, दिस इज ब्राउन. ऑपोजिट टॉप ब्राउन. दिस इज ब्राउन. इट्स नॉट ब्राउन आई गेस. मुझे तो रेड कलर निकला. चलिए, अब ब्राउन कहाँ ढूंढते बैठो? लेट मी राइट डाउन ब्राउन. ब्राउन, ब्राउन, ब्राउन. Following everybody? Green, green. And the remaining two are painted with yellow and yellow. Following everybody? Over. Following? Clear? Now, students, what he told you, 64. For 64, I already told you, 64, 4 into 4 into 4. Baba, 3 into 3 into 3. Make sure that some people might have done 4, 4, 4 cuts. No, you're supposed to draw 3 cuts. 1, 2, are you understanding everybody? 3 cuts. How many cuts? 3 cuts. 3 cuts vertically. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over. Your diagram is ready. Okay. Now let's try to answer this question, everybody. First question. Only brown. Only brown color. Means brown is on the top and bottom. You can see the top. In the top and bottom is brown. So no need to go and stand here and check. यहाँ से दिखता भी नहीं तुमको, है ना? Do one thing. Count here. That is sufficient. Okay, everybody? है ना? नीचे जाने की कोशिश मत करो. Okay? Only brown. Only brown. Not this one. You can't take this brown. It has a touch of green, everybody. You can't take this piece. It has a touch of green. You can't take this one because a touch of green. Touch of green. Are you understanding, Naveen? You can cross check here. Can I take this brown? No, sir. It has a touch of yellow. Brown, a touch of yellow. So this brown, yes, sir. This brown, yes, sir. This brown, yes, sir. This brown, yes, sir. How many on the top? 4 on the top. Well, how many on the top? 4 on the top. How many on the top? 4 on the top. How many on the bottom? 4 on the bottom. 4 plus 4, 8. Only green color, green color. Okay, 1 green, 2 green, 3 green, 4 green, 5 green, 6 green. Only green, only green. Why I'm not taking this one? Because the touch of yellow, touch of brown, touch of brown. Corners are all no. Are you understanding, everybody? So in addition to these, I can take this thing also, green, 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 green. This is one side or two sided? One side, two sided. I am not checking. I am checking only green. Wherever green, please try to take them away. So answer is 10. Unpainted are inside. Unpainted are inside. Can you see them? No, I can't see them. Then who will help you? Formula. N minus 2 whole cube. N value is what? N value is what? Not cuts. N value is pieces. 4 minus 2. Let's do 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole cube, that is 8. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Only green and yellow. Only green and yellow. This green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. That is 4. Everybody got the 4? Yes, 4. That's good. Following, everybody, the last one are 3 colors. He didn't tell you 3 side painted, students. He told you 3 colors. What did he say? That here is 3 colors. So you all tell me, where are the 3 colors? 3 colors. Corners, faces, or edges, corners. Is this 3 color? No. Brown, green, green. 3 colors? No. Brown, green, green. 3 colors? Yes, sir. Brown, green, yellow. Brown, sorry, it's not brown. Brown, green, yellow. This one? Yes. No, sir, no, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Brown, green, backside yellow. Brown, green, brown, yellow. But this one is not accepted. Here is yellow. Here is also yellow. Yellow, yellow. You all know that. Brown. It's not accepted at the corner. Students, why this is not accepted? Because it has got yellow, yellow on both sides. Here yellow, here yellow, yellow, yellow on this. Following, everybody, that's the answer, only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Are you understanding these multicolor questions, everybody? Only orange color. Only orange color means center 9. Why I'm not taking this top one? Because a touch of red. Center 9 only I'm supposed to accept backside. Understanding, Navin, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Following, everybody? Yes or no? Clear? I want you to do one more question. How this question is slightly changed. This is an extra thing. This is a new thing. This is a new thing. Please try to do this question. Please try to do this question. Everybody. Everybody. Please try to do this question. Every 12, 4, 12, 10, 7. Oh, what a different type of answers. No worries. मैं जब तक जिंदा हूं सब करेंगे. Okay, don't worry. Everybody on the screen now. A large cube is painted with blue color on one pair of adjacent faces. Students, one pair of adjacent faces. One pair of edges, blue color. Let me take a light blue. This is a light blue. One pair of adjacent. I have to paint front and back? No. I have to paint top and bottom? No. I have to paint left and right? No. I am supposed to paint where? I am supposed to paint wherever I want. Adjacent. They should be side by side. Anyways, I have painted this one with blue, this one with blue. That's cool. Next one. One pair of opposite faces is painted with yellow. one pair of opposite faces is painted the yellow. This is also yellow, students. You all know that this is yellow. And students, one thing you should understand that bottom also yellow. One pair of edge opposite yellow, and the other one is painted with green. Let's say this is left, this is left. Students, this is with green. This is unpainted. Unpainted means, students, no color. Try to remember that. Unpainted with no color. Okay, here we have green color. Are you understanding? Unpainted with what? No color. So green. Let me put green here. Green side. Following everybody, chaliye. 64 he told you, students, as usual, same question like previous only. 64, 4, 4, 4. You all know cutting. We have learned that. 3 on x-axis. 1, 2, 3 on x-axis. Rahul, you know how to cut it now? Yes. 2, 3. That's good. Okay, 3 on x-axis. 1, 2, 3. Over. Now, let's try to see the answers, everybody. Let's try to see the answers. The first one, only blue. Only blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can take this one? No. Why no? Because it has a touch of green. This one? No. Touch. Understood, Subhashmita? Answer is not 10. Answer is 12. Everybody, backside, unpainted. This one also you should take. Yes, yes. Prasanna Kumar is perfect answer. Prasanna Kumar, perfect answer. Are you understanding, everybody? Pragati also perfect answer. Are you understanding, everybody? So why it has to be like that? Rakesh, the first answer is wrong. Are you understanding, everybody? So most of the people said this is, but backside also you have to supposed to count it. Following everybody. Next one. Over. Next one. Only green. Only green. Green is only this side. Green is only this side. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, let me just try to talk about here green. Okay, everybody, ये कलर चले गया, मुझसे गलती हो गई और गलती से मिस्टेक हो गया. Following everybody. So what I request you, so let me just try to give you time for you to do it. अरे बाप रे. Okay, if you see this thing, will you accept the center 4? Yes. Only green center 4. You stand here, you'll find out the same thing if you stand here also. And center 4, yes, center 4. That's good. Will you take this one? No, it has a touch of this one. No. Will you take this one? No. Okay, will you take bottom? No. But backside you can see here. Backside you can see here. This one is there. This one is there. These two are also there on this side. Because backside there's no color. Okay, answer is what? 6. Are you sure, everybody? That's what. Some people have told the answer is 10. I'm sorry, answer is not 10. You thought that these are 125 cuts. No, these are only, these are only how much? Green is 4 in the center. But you can see the corner green here. This is, let's say this is green. Green, 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 green. You can say this corner greens also. 2 greens are there. You can take because backside is unpainted. Naveen, green is 4. You're talking only center 4. You're talking only center 4 green. Who will take these 2 greens which are there here? Backside no color. Understanding? Many people said 4, 4, 4. Unpainted is destroyed all your answers. That's the reason IBM has given this question long back. Unpainted has destroyed everything. Okay. Now, next one. Unpainted. Where is unpainted? Inside. Inside, which you can't see. Unpainted. How much? Formula. N minus 2 whole cube. Okay. N value is 4. 4 minus 2 whole cube. That is 8. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. How much? 4 you got it. Can you take this blue, yellow? No, it has a touch of green. Not accepted. Can you take this blue, yellow? Yes, sir. Yellow, blue, blue. This also accepted because 3 side painted, 2 side painted. I'm not asking you. Blue, yellow I want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This blue, yellow you can accept. Why? Because here no color. Here no color, sir. You can accept this one also. Answer is 6. Are you understanding? No paint means it is not white color. Try to understand, everybody. No paint means not white color. Everybody think unpainted is Oh, sorry, unpainted is 4 more, sir. Backside 4 pieces are there. I forgot to say, backside 4 pieces are there like this. I forgot to say, plus 4, 12. Come on. I'm sorry. I forgot this one. Understood how you got 12 unpainted 12? Because backside unpainted is there. Back is unpainted. So we have to count those things also. Subhashmita. Yeah, Sujita. That's true. I forgot that one. I'm sorry for that. Most of the people think that, unpainted is white. Okay. I forgot to just write down that 4 also. Okay. Now last question. 3 colors. Is this 3 colors? No. Is this 3 colors? No. Is this 3 colors? Yes. Is this 3 colors? Yes. Shall I see backside? No. I should not see backside. Sir, tell me why I should not see backside. Why I should not see backside? Because backside no color. Backside no color. Backside no color. Backside no color. That's it. So answer is what? Simply 2. Answer is simply 2. Again, standing every. Many people have said the last one correct. 2. That's 2. Following everybody. So, also blue yellow is there. I forgot to tell this one. Blue yellow, blue yellow, blue yellow, blue yellow. 4. Blue yellow, blue yellow, blue yellow, blue yellow. 4. 4 plus 4, 8. This blue yellow, this blue yellow. 2. Okay, everybody. So, and you see here, blue yellow is there, but no color now. So this one also accepted. 1 more. This also blue yellow. There is no color here. Yes. So 2 more. Answer is 12. I'm sorry for that. Where is this? This is not 6. 6 on the top. Same fashion, 6 on the bottom. 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 6, 12. I just counted only here. But here also you have to count 6, you will get it. Because bottom also yellow. I didn't write yellow here. Are you understanding, everybody? So this happens when you do a number of questions. ये जेठालाल कौन है भाई? What is your real name, Jethalal? I'm finding new Jethalal in this, 8:30 batch. Who is this Jethalal? What is your real name? Hope you have understood this multicolor. These questions, 3-side painted, 2-side painted, 1-side painted, unpainted, fully formula. This is fully formula. But if somebody asks you multicolor, you have to draw, you have to color, you have to cut the cube, and then you have to count. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? And unpainted also we have done. Unpainted also we have done, students. This kind of questions will also be there. Unpainted, 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 unpainted. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? So be careful with unpainted also. Now analogy classification कल करेंगे. Following, everybody?